2026 models Zontes 703F rear shock absorber adjustment video tutorial. Preparation tools. Flat head screwdriver. Press the vehicle start button. Press the seat button to unlock the seat cushion lock. After unlocking the seat cushion lock, gently pull at the rear end of the seat cushion according to the video method to remove the seat cushion assembly. Note that there is a seat heating function connector on the back of the seat cushion. When dismantling the seat cushion, do not use excessive force to avoid damaging the wiring connector. Near to the battery, find the rear shock absorber compression damping adjustment knob. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust. Turning clockwise increases compression damping and makes it stiffer. Turning counterclockwise decreases compression damping and makes it softer. Below the rear shock absorber, find the rear shock absorber rebound damping adjustment knob. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust. Turning clockwise increases rebound damping and makes it stiffer. Turning counterclockwise decreases rebound damping and makes it softer. When installing the seat cushion, hook the front buckle of the seat cushion into the wire seat on the mailbox. Then gently press the front of the seat cushion with one hand while pushing forward gently with the other hand to install. Afterward, check whether the seat cushion is installed properly. If there is a large gap, it means the installation is incorrect and needs to be redone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and smash the bell notification, so you don't miss the daily dose of new videos.
I'm coming for the throne.